So guys, we recognize this right at the top of what we're dealing with this morning. God designs us, and God is the one who uses us. He is the one who has put Moses' life together, and now God begins to knit it all together. Our identity is rooted in who God made us to be. God is at work throughout our lives, past, present, and future. None of Moses' past is gone to God. None of it is useless to God. All of it will be used by God when Moses becomes his man and pursues his call. And God takes all of that and puts it together so that Moses can do what only Moses can do. It's fascinating. So God appears to Moses in this burning bush that is not consumed. And the first thing, he calls out to Moses by name. It's beautiful. God knows our name. God knows our name. How many times did we sing that this morning? I am the God of your father, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. This encounter is holy because the God who speaks to Moses is holy. A holy and perfect God has not forgotten Moses in the middle of the wilderness. In fact, he shows up and he calls him to do his work. I was reminded of this passage, and Heather was reminded of this passage over the last couple of days. Isaiah chapter 49, verse 16, God tells his people this. He says, "See, I have engraved you on the palm of my hand." The previous verse, the people of God are saying, "Where are you? Have you forgotten me?" God says, "How could I forget you? I have your name right here." Your identity is founded in the holy God who made you and who calls you.